Welcome to HUDhomestore.com, the new national website to locate HUD, the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, owned properties for sale. Here on the home page of HUDhomestore.com, you'll see a map where you can search in any of the states for properties. We're going to be looking at the state of Maryland, which is probably easiest to just click there from the right. And it pulls up the listings for the state of Maryland. We'll go through a detailed review of a particular property listing, but for now we're just going to do an overview of finding homes and information on HUDhomestore.com. So again, from here on the home page, we clicked Maryland to see that list of properties available in Maryland. We can also scroll down to the search properties section towards the bottom of the page and select a state of Maryland. Now that's the only required field for searching in this box here, but you could narrow down that complete list of properties that we looked at by county, city, zip code, street, price range, number of bids and baths, buyer type. For the buyer type, you'll notice that there are owner-occupant properties, investor properties. The good neighbor next door properties, or good neighbor next door buyer type, is for the teacher and officer next door program, government agencies and nonprofits. And then there's also the option to check the status of either all properties, those that are accepting bids, any new listings, those that have had price reductions, or those that are pending bid opening. If you happen to have the property case number, you can also search in that box there for the property case number. The case number starts with 241 dash, I want to say it's 7 other digits after the 241. So if you have that information, you can also search by the property case number in that box there. So for now, we'll just leave it as Maryland and click search, and we'll end up at that same full list of properties that we saw when we clicked Maryland from the map. And this shows properties that are all. This is a little bit of everything. Here you'll see again the case number that starts off 241. There's actually 6 digits that follow 241 to identify the property case number. The full address, it has the county listed below the address. The price, the status, it shows you there if it's a new listing with that little red icon, the number of bedrooms and baths. The listing period, you'll notice there are some properties that say either lottery or exclusive. For the lottery, for any of these, if you click over or mouse over the little question mark there, it will define for you what that means. So in this particular property, for the 1003B Crimson Tree in Edgewood, for a lottery, that's that good neighbor next door participants only. So that's the teacher and officer next door properties. That one is available as a lottery there. For the exclusive property, if we go down to 620 Triptopo Drive, for exclusive, when you go over the question mark there, it shows you that that one is available to owner-occupants, nonprofits, and government agencies. So it defines for you who it's available to as part of the listing period. It also shows the list date. You can also, over on the details column, click to view the street. It's not available for that one. Let's see if we can map it. So by clicking map it, you can open up a map of the property. And you can also email the property information to whomever you'd like to share it with. So that's a general overview of HUDhomestore.com, the new national website to find HUD homes for sale.